In a world driven by comparison, it's easy to feel lost in the shadows of others. One day, a young woman found herself scrolling through social media, each post reminding her of the successes and achievements of her peers. With every like and beautiful picture, she felt her own worth diminish, as if she was forever nestled in their shadows, unworthy of the spotlight. This moment marked the beginning of a powerful realization about the value of individuality. Determined to break free from this toxic cycle, she embarked on a journey of self-discovery. She began to reflect on her unique strengths and passions, understanding that true fulfillment comes from embracing one's authentic self. Rather than focusing on what others were doing, she shifted her attention inward, allowing her own dreams and aspirations to take center stage. The more she nurtured her interests, the more confident she became, illuminating her life with a radiant glow of authenticity. With newfound courage, she started pursuing what brought her joy: painting, writing, and learning new languages. Each brushstroke on her canvas became a testament to her individuality, and every new word she learned in English unlocked doors to new relationships and experiences. As her skills blossomed, she no longer sought validation from others. Instead, she began to revel in her progress, cherishing the journey rather than the destination. She discovered that comparing our lives to others leads only to frustration, while embracing our uniqueness leads to true contentment. As time went on, she shared her story and talents with the world, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of self-acceptance. She emphasized that everyone carries a distinctive light, and shining it brightly not only enriches one's own life but also illuminates the path for others. The young woman no longer felt obliged to conform to societal expectations. Instead, she celebrated her individuality and encouraged others to do the same. This transformational experience taught her that life is not a race, but a beautifully unique journey filled with opportunities. She learned to measure her success against her own growth, rather than against others' milestones. In this newfound light, she found the power of self-acceptance, ultimately living a life devoid of comparison. By recognizing our worth and embracing our differences, we discover the beauty of being authentically ourselves.